What up, y'all? How to make your own homemade barbell. What up, guys? Chase Urban Hit Fit, Kansas City. Coming to you guys from a basement, man. Stuck in quarantine, but right now a lot of people are trying to find weights everywhere, trying to buy at Walmart or go online, Amazon, but everywhere's sold out, man. A lot of places are sold out. So what do? Sometimes you gotta be creative, man. So right now, got a couple things how we're gonna create a barbell. Okay, got this idea from Shelby, client Shelby. And she was doing this one day, and I did this actually back in 2008. I actually did it on TV with NBC. I called it my witch's broom. But right here, I have a handle. This is just a little duster, if you can see. A little duster, you can be a broomstick, something like that, guys. You can use this as a handle. Now, you can take this off, so watch what I do. So, you can take this off, you could take it off, like I said. You don't have to. This one, I don't know, this one doesn't come off, but a lot of times brooms, you can twist the bottom and take them off. But here's what we could do. Grab this. Now I found another household item, downy, okay, an empty container. This is empty right now, but you would fill this with water or sand. A couple of different benefits of that. The water, if you filled it with water, it would be about 25 pounds, maybe give or take. Water, if you put sand in it, and you add water in it too, you can get it super duper heavy, man, or you can make a couple of these. So what you could do, okay, now if this is in the way, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shove it through. That's it. That's it, guys. So you have your weight, let's say it's 25 pounds, right? Grab your handles. Now it might slide a little bit, of course, but you can go here, just good old bicep curls, okay? You can even put stuff on the sides. Let's say if you can figure out how to balance that, maybe I'll make a different video on that. For one side, you can do a chest press, like a barbell chest press. So get creative with stuff, guys. Hopefully this helped you guys out. So you guys can make some stuff. Find an empty, get one of your empty things. Or it could be a water jug, doesn't matter, a gallon. Fill it up with water, sand, both. Make it super heavy. And you can have your own weight equipment, okay? You do curls with it, you do triceps, you do a lot of different stuff with this. You do chops with it, okay? So hopefully that helped you guys out. For those of you guys that are at home who need weights, but it's a good container to use because it has an awesome handle. You can even do kettlebell swings with it, right? We have a lot of clients doing it, and the cool thing is it has a big enough cap here you can take off and you can put your sand and stuff. Put a funnel, get the sand in there, or just pour it in there. But there you go. There's a lot of other things we could do with this. I'll make a different video. There's tons of things I did. Like I said, I did it on NBC back in like 2008 or something like that. Alright guys, peace out, love you guys, hopefully this helped you guys out, guys. Leave a comment below, let me know if you guys are gonna make it. Tell me your picture, what are you gonna use, what handle? Alright, peace out guys.